Actually, I'm gonna take him to the side. I'm going to get help. You can't get us all, guys.
That's my shit.
I distract him.
Y'all bitches. Y'all can't get to my bread.
Can't get that shit. That's a lot of cookies, guys.
Y'all some pussies. Come at me.
Get him, boys.
Fuck y'all.
Where's my backup? Where's my backup? Oh, I'm already up.
Look at that. Warrior.
I'm already up.
One man band right there.
Sound off.
Fuck that.
Get him, boys.
Fuck y'all niggas. Get him. That nigga's a gangster though. Look at him by himself. This shit could go on forever. Oh, look at that wonderful pool. Wonderful pool.
I got it, boys. They're good.
Wonderful pool. One of them got the guts. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Shit.
It's worth it, fellas.
That's the showdown of a lifetime right here, bro.
No shit, dude.
I can't believe all them birds and none of them fucking want to go match up against one fucking bird, bro. That's a disgrace to what black is. Anything black, that's fucking disgrace right there. He's eating. Get him.
Yeah.
Damn.
I'll distract him, fellas. I got a
Ooh,
taste
look
of
at
it.
those though.
Oh shit, here goes the squirrels.
I wish the squirrel would go.
I wish the squirrels would go.
That motherfucker would take the whole thing. Ooh, look at him. Look at him. Oh, they're calling for backup. Reinforcements on the way. Reinforcements in the way. Come on.
Get it, boys. Some funny shit. Oh shit, boys. We got backup, boys. Strength
One
in
bird
numbers.
at a time. They're coming, bro.
There's strength in numbers, guys.
Strength in numbers. I can't believe these dudes. I can't. I don't know the technique of jumping.
You telling me this is the only fucking seagull, or
This is the only one right here.
only one in here?
It's the only motherfucker out here, bro. This is a showdown of a lifetime. Bro, this is National Geographic's at its best. We just need that one British motherfucker to narrate this shit.
Fine.
Yeah. And as a bird leaps in, the other ones are bitches. They're just standing around. Can't seem to do a damn thing.
Somewhat of a Mexican standoff between these
Mexicans stand off.
masters of the sky.
This is why I don't like crows, cause you see, they pussies. All they do is scream at motherfuckers when you walk away.
Peck 'em.
They don't got the guts to attack them though.
It's crazy. Tell me how